Hello parents, I will show you how to install Pivot Animator in your laptop or system. So first go to Google and just type Pivot Animator. Those who know to install, you can just do it by yourself. Those who don't know, they can see this video and you can install. So you can see this. So first you click on download. So this is the version, whichever version you want. So I am downloading this download Pivot Animator 5. So click on this. So you can see here the setup is downloaded. Now click on this. First download, then you have to install. So it will ask like this, then click on yes, then English, then next, next. So once it comes 100%, that means it's downloaded. So it will be, the icon will be in the desktop. So make students to practice pivot animator. Mesh. See now this is the pivot animator. Even it will be in the desktop, that icon will be there. So you can maximize and they can start practicing using this.